Okay, this is our store that we are selling or closing by the first of the year. There's some stuff that they'll allow me to show on YouTube in here. I guess I can pan around and you can kind of get the gist of it. But my hands today, I've got this familiar tremors, and my hands today are a little bit unsteady, so I apologize for the video. But this is a store. We have a lot of stuff to get rid of by the end of the year. But come the 1st of November, we will be putting it all on sale and selling out. This is the thing right now that's making the most money, is silver and gold. And we're either going to sell the store or close it. And you know, everybody says you never know. This is actually a pawn shop, and everybody says you never know what's going to come into the store. Let me show you something that came into the store. Pretty wild. I thought of the Beatles when I saw that. And you know what's weird is I just saw today, 3 weeks ago, was Ringo Starr's 80th birthday. So that was really freaked me out when I thought about Ringo Starr being 80. You know, shows you getting old. I know I'm getting old. These are jewelry that we have, and this is where we'll probably come out putting the most money back for our travels. We sell DVDs for $1 a piece, believe it or not. And this is my travel partner coming in, of course.
Hey.
But we are going to close up by the end of the year, so we'd love to sell it, but apparently there's, I guess, the money situation. People laid off and everything. They don't have the money.
I disagree.
What?
We have not put it out there but a week, for real. Because we sold it. We had it sold, and the guy is getting a divorce and he can't buy it now. But we haven't had it on the radio but a week. I'm not worried about it. It's in God's timing. And
yeah, and even if we close, that's fine too.
That's right. Hey, if you're in the area and want a good sale, good buy, I got all kinds of stuff to sell.
This is where we've been for the last, our business has been for the last
here, come on.
little while.
Maggie, here. Come out here and say hello. Maggie,
This used to be a bustling area.
Hello.
Oh, Maggie!
Come here.
This is Maggie and Gracie, our traveling buddies.
Say, I'm the best doggy for the store.
And she's a store dog.
She is a store dog. Come on, let's go back here.
She got that, it's a vibrating collar, kind of get her attention when she wants to run out in the road.
Show them what she does.
If I need to come in, I can't do it across
Well,
the
no, wait a
front.
minute. When people come in, this is what Maggie does. Come here. Get up here. Come on. Say hello. Come on. Come on. No, come here, Maggie. Of course,
She's
just
camera
like a kid.
shy.
Just
She's
like a
camera
kid.
shy.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. 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 Right here. Oh, he's got junk everywhere. Come on. Say hello.
Hello.
Come here. Hey, come here. Here. Maggie, get up here. Here. Come on.
Maggie. Maggie. Maggie.
But we have some excellent home defense.
Yeah, we do. And most of this stuff right now is high end. Most of this stuff, you know, people want that sort of stuff. But this is not an advertisement for our business. Please don't think it is. Sure, we'd love to sell it. The quicker we sell it, the quicker we go back on the road. That's for 100%. But either way, this is why that, yeah, this is why we're not on the road currently. We have as soon as we sell it or close it up, we're going to be moving towards well, we're already moving towards getting the house prepared to sell. And we may, what I would love to do is put the house up for sale, stage it, and then go ahead and get on the road, and then have the real estate agent just have a free reign to show it anytime he wants to. And I think we'll sell it faster doing it that way. But my wife wants to try to sell it on her own for a couple weeks, so that may be what we'll do. We've got a few things to do, but if we wasn't living there, I want y'all's opinion. What do you think? Shall we just be at the place and at the house where we can show it, but we got 2 dogs to deal with all the time? That's the big deal. You're gonna have to get the dogs out, and a lot of people, dropping everything and opening the house up a lot of times is not what you want to do. So if we went ahead on the road and have a real estate go ahead and just try to be free to come and go as they please, I think that might be a better option. But anyway, this is what we're looking at, So I know it looks like a lot. I know it looks like, oh, you'll never close by December. But believe me, we can run through some stuff, especially if we put everything on sale. And a lot of this stuff is consignment too. So all of the knives consignment, the majority of the higher end guns are consignment. We have a gun here that appraised for $40,000 now. It's on consignment. So if those things don't sell, then they go back to the owners. So a lot of the guns here will be liquidated back to the owners. Some antique stuff like this, and some of the stuff would be liquidated, and probably some hats, Alabama Auburn hats and Trump hats and stuff like that, we could probably sell at a flea market or either have somebody just buy them for a real cheap price. But so I suspect those will. The only thing, the cases and stuff, we'll have to advertise probably on Facebook, and some of the other stuff like that. We have an alarm system that I might be able to use in the RV, the camera system. I don't know. I mean, I didn't think about that, but probably will. I'll probably take the camera system down and use most of it inside the RV. But I have 10 cameras and one that records to a hard drive, and I would love to have 4 or 5 of the cameras up inside the RV and around the outside of the RV. Even if I had to take these cameras and sell them and get the outside type of cameras that you can operate through the internet. These are hardwired here, so I'd probably go to a wireless system. I don't know. It's just we do have a lot to get rid of. However, we are really going to put a big sale on November and try to push ourselves out of here. Before we sell, when we put the house on the market, I plan on doing you a tour of that too. I mean, if I could help myself by doing that. I mean, we don't have that many subscribers now, but we are growing, and about 86%, according to YouTube, of the people that watch our videos do not subscribe, and I think that's across the board on a lot of channels. I've seen 80-90% of the people that watch videos do not subscribe. Yeah, and we apologize for the live feed we did through it was the new software is StreamYard, and we did a live stream that was totally messed up. Had to delete it about twice and start over. So if you did watch that stream, please don't think that that is the way we're going to be all the time. In fact, because the live stream has not gathered that much views, I'm probably just going to one video a week on Sunday videos until we get ready to go on the road, and then when we are on the road, I may increase it back every once in a while on live stream. But I just don't believe the live stream is now I won't use the word profitable because we don't make anything from YouTube, but we are not monetized. But I don't think it's what we need to be doing, so I'm probably going to cancel my Thursday night live streams and just stick with a Sunday night, come out every Sunday with a much better video. Now, this video is not much better. I mean, we are sharing what we're dealing with and what kind of store we have. It's something that I had kind of debated on putting it out there, because a lot of people are not gun people, and I understand that. And we're not going to be having a bunch of guns on the road with us. We're going to have protection, But I believe in the Second Amendment, and I believe that everybody has the right to bear arms. And it can save your life, and we've had a video discussing that. But I wanted to show you actually what we had and some of the things we had. And the one shotgun that my wife is demonstrating is one that we are going to start over with.
This is the one we're going to do. That sound is universal. It means back up, bud.
And then a really neat thing that came in the other day that was, if you can get here, no, is this solid American walnut piece of wood that they make stocks out of. And somebody custom makes stocks like that, they'd make it out of this walnut. It is heavy.
So our little picture should say, "Why are we not on the road already?"
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so ready to go to the Grand Tetons.
Yes, the Grand Tetons. We are ready to go to the Grand Tetons.
Where else?
We're ready to go to. I want to spend a whole lot more stuff in Yellowstone. I want to spend a lot. I want to go to Alaska. Our Alaska trip's going to be about a 2-month trip to Alaska. Probably won't be to a couple of years because of all this COVID and the border being shut down, but we are definitely doing the Alaska trip.
Our first trip, though, is to Wisconsin to see our baby girl.
Yep. So anyway, this is kind of short video today on Sunday, but I got to get it edited.
So, we will see you on the road if we don't see you before.
And this video is a little short, but it's because we got behind on a couple of things, and
the store beat our butt this week.
Yeah,
we were
very, very busy.
We didn't get to get out and do anything.
So, but we are planning a couple of trips to Tennessee and in the area to show you a little bit of where we live, and before we go on the road. If you love waterfalls, keep in touch, because we've got some beautiful waterfalls around here, and we are going to go visit some. Okay, so hope you have a great week. God bless you, and see you on the road. See you on the road.